Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Wakemaker and Subnautica 2. I'll be going through the easiest locations that you can find that are near the life pod. So, to begin, we will want to go about 100 meters from the life pod towards west, and here you'll see a small crack in which you want to go and enter. At the bottom of this ravine, of this cave, you'll see a Wakemaker fragment. So pick out your scanner and go ahead and scan this. Nextly, we will need another two fragments which are really close by, and you can just follow my path as I'm going. You want to go right here to these three coral domes that are together, and here in one of these supply chests you'll find another fragment. So this is the second fragment, and the last fragment. Go as I'm going to this direction, to this wreck, and inside of this cave. Here you will see this water current that is going from the sea level to the bottom of this cave. So go ahead and just enter it, and don't worry, there are many oxygen tunics here, so you can replenish your oxygen. Now you want to go to this platform and look to the giant chest. Here you'll see the third and the last Wakemaker fragment. So go ahead and scan this one. And now, to get out of the cave, you'll need to find another way. As you can see, you cannot swim through the current. So you can just go right here and exit the cave through this opening as I'm going. And now you want to go to your fabricator that's inside your base, because as you can see here, the Wakemaker is not able to be made inside of the life pod, because the fabricator is a little bit broken, not fully functional, and you'll need to make another one alongside with a base and some kind of electricity grid. Now that we are back at our base, we will need some materials, which include the silver, grease, basic battery, and wiring kit. The grease is the easiest. You can get that from one lucifer rod sack, which can be gathered from these plants that have a yellowish orb on top of them. As you can see, you'll go toward it and you can see pick up lucifer rod sack. So this is how you get the lucifer rod sack. Now at the fabricator, you can go to resources and craft the grease from the lucifer rod sack. Another ingredient you'll need is a basic battery. This can be crafted from copper and acidic rayon pouch. Copper can be found inside of caves, on the ceiling, most commonly on the ceiling, and these acidic rayon pouches can be found in these kind of plants, which contain the magical gel sac also. But a common option location for the acidic rayon pouch is inside of these coral domes. So make sure you check out these also. And you'll need a survival multi-tool to cut the acidic rayon pouch. Now, once you've crafted the battery, you'll need some silver. Silver can be found by going about 300 meters to north from the life pod, as I'm going right here. You can go ahead and just follow the path that I'm going through, and you should see this infectious kind of coral here and a new biome. Here, there is a chance that you might find some silver right here on the surface, inside of these canyons, but a more common location is to find it inside of this cave. As you can see, there's plenty of silver here. So make sure to check out the whole cave to get enough silver. And we can go ahead and head back to the fabricator. Now, once we are back at our base, you can see we got silver, grease, basic battery, and we are missing one ingredient, which is the wiring kit, on which you'll need silver also, and copper wire. As I said, copper can be found inside of caves, on the ceiling, or inside of the cave that we were just in, with the silver included. So you can go ahead and make the wiring kit, and then make the Wakemaker. The Wakemaker uses the basic batteries, which can be replaced using the R key and just then left clicking to load it. Also, to charge these batteries, you can use the battery terminal, which is going to charge your discharged batteries. So this is pretty much all. How to get the Wakemaker in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.